All right, scientists, so this is such an incredible day. Today is the day that you get to build your catapults.
Whee!
So, what I want us to do is you have to think about the models that you drew. You have to think about everything you've learned about levers, and you have to get ready and organized to build that catapult.
Woo!
So, now it's time to take those models, get our materials, and think about how we're going to build our catapults today. All right, scientists. So here we are inside of the design process again, okay? Now remember, up there in the red, you've been observing and learning about levers for a long time. You guys are scientists. You've been using your scientific skills to learn about levers. Then last week we imagined, drew some models, and planned our catapults. So now it's time to create our catapults. Are you so ready? Now, be careful that you really take your time. Really look at the materials you have and think of a plan before you start creating, okay? So have fun creating this week, and I can't wait to see your catapult, scientist. Okay, scientists, so here I am back at my table. I've got all my materials and everything. I drew two models, and this morning I was really looking at those two models, and I was thinking about how I'm going to build my catapult today. So I still have my fulcrum. I plan on using this, but I'm not sure how I'm going to put it in my frame yet. I had two more ideas, and I don't want to show you my ideas, okay? I want you to do the same thing I'm doing. And I want you to come up with your own ideas because all of you are experts at levers and catapults now. And you're going to really come up with some beautiful ideas, and I can't wait to see them. So I have some straws, rubber bands, some glue, and I have lots of ideas in my head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to brainstorm some ideas. So I'm going to take a minute and I'm going to brainstorm.
2,000 years later.
So 1,000 years later, now I'm ready to start building. So I'm going to get glue and I'm going to really start building my catapult and start putting some ideas together. Now remember, engineers, sometimes what you do, what you make isn't going to work. And that's wonderful, okay? That is an opportunity to learn something new. You're going to learn how what you built didn't work properly. Maybe you need to move the fulcrum. Maybe you need to think about the arm you're using. Okay, so I really want you to be patient with yourself today and know that not every design you're building is going to work. And when something doesn't work, take a second and think about why it didn't work and how you can improve on your design, all right? So enjoy making your catapults today. Be patient with yourself and have fun being an engineer.
Whee!